Huawei is preparing a super strange gamepad. Again, it has been patents that have come to light, and so we can know what Huawei is preparing. And in this case, we're talking about a gamepad that could change shape. For starters, you could have it as a steering wheel type, and obviously it's a gamepad that has the perfect space for you to place your smartphone, and you can have a different experience in mobile video games. But if you don't want to have a steering wheel, you can perfectly disassemble that controller and reassemble it as if it were Lego pieces and turn it now into a weapon for these shooting games. In the patent, you get to see various styles of how you could reassemble this gamepad and all the buttons that it could have. So it's a pretty strange idea that would surely also work in conjunction with the cell phone's gyroscope to give users a totally different gaming experience. And although it is only a patent and is not yet being prepared as a final product in case it comes out as a product, obviously Huawei should work together with game developers to be able to adapt all this. And that will surely happen immediately in China in case this accessory is presented. But globally, it would be a bit more difficult to take advantage of all this technology. But let me know in the comments if you would like an accessory of this style that you could fully customize to your liking, or you think it is a failure.